Hello and welcome to the channel. So today what we are doing is we are testing an iron remover wheel cleaner versus a acid wheel cleaner. So we're going to see the difference between the two. This is the tire that we're working on. As you can see, it's definitely seen better days. There's quite a lot of dust in there that's been kind of caked on. Let me see if I can get into the barrel here. Alright, so yeah, you can see that it is quite dirty. It's been caked on a little bit. Sorry, as a motorbike goes past. Let's have a look at the caliper. Not the best filming, so apologies. Yeah, so this does need a little bit of work. We're gonna see the difference between obviously a normal iron remover for a wheel cleaner versus an acidic wheel cleaner, just to see what the difference is and see if it's worth getting an acidic wheel cleaner rather than just a normal not just a normal iron remover. So let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is mask up a line down the middle, or as close to the middle as possible. This is always probably the hardest part of the exercise because it doesn't quite stick to the tyre or the alloy. Let's have a look and see if we can get this done. First go. A couple of touch points with the tyre, hopefully that's enough. Alright, not quite in the middle, but it'll have to do. Now what we're going to do is we're going to spray this side. It's just a normal wheel cleaner. Get into the barrel, into the caliper. Actually, yeah, I think that'll be better on the other side because that's got the caliper. Get into there and we can see it reacting and working almost instantly. Trying not to cross-contaminate here. What we're going to do, we're going to use the acid wheel cleaner just on this side here. Again, the same thing, going to get into the barrel, get the angles right. Alright, and I'm not going to agitate because that is a variable that I don't need. I just want to see what the difference is between the two. Well, how much of a difference the two give you. So let's do and you can see on the right side how much it's reacting. You can see the purpley pink colour showing you it's doing its job. I think I got much in here actually. And then on the left side, the acid wheel cleaner, no reaction there, just letting it do its thing. You can really see how dirty it is on that right side. Alright, so we're going to let that sit for a little while, we're going to let that dwell, and we'll come back to it. Now, it is important to say that acidic wheel cleaners are not safe to use on all wheels, so just make sure before you do use it that it is safe to use on the wheel that you're using it on. It's also not good to have it dry on the wheel, so just make sure that it's always flowing, it's always liquid, and just make sure you rinse thoroughly. So we're going to zoom in a little bit here just to show you the reaction. You can actually see where the acid meets the iron decon. It's actually greeny in there. Look at that. A little bit here as well, a bit greeny. Alright, so by looking at this, it looks like the iron decon is doing a lot more than the acid cleaner, which is not what the acidic cleaner I should say, which is not what I anticipated, but let's have a look. Alright, so this is the side with the iron decon. As you can see, I actually did quite a good job. I mean, obviously needs agitation and everything like that. Not perfect, but did a very, very good job. Let's have a look here inside the lugs. Yeah, definitely need agitation there on there. The caliper looks okay considering what it was, but not perfect. So let's move over to the acidic side. Now the acidic side, a bit the same to be honest with you. Looks like it might have cleaned better. I was using this is the thing with the acidic cleaner, I was using a worse spray bottle, so I don't think I really got the coverage that I wanted to. But what I'm going to do, I'm not really happy with either side. I'm going to try and hit it again. Give us 1 second. So now let's rinse this off. All right. So that's looking much better on the acidic side, the acidic wheel cleaner, in comparison to the iron decon. Now, to be honest, both sides I think would need agitation, but you can just see how much more thorough the acidic wheel cleaner is versus just the iron decon. Yeah, I think we could get this wheel right if we did the agitation, but I wanted to take out as much variability in this test as possible. So, if you did like this, please like, comment and subscribe on the channel. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments as well. I do want to hear what you think and what your experiences have been with both cleaners. This is obviously a wheel that hasn't been touched in a long time and really needs a good clean. Have a look at the lugs. I don't know if that's rust or it could be just rust. Look at the lugs on the acidic side. But yeah, if you could please like, comment and subscribe, it really helps my channel. Thanks again. From afar you can really see the difference. The left hand side definitely looks a lot better than the right hand side.